How to get a bigger penis naturally. So how do I get a bigger penis? I bet you don't know where to start. There is a whole virtual world full of junk, so it can be really difficult to know what will increase your penis size. However, making your penis bigger is actually really easy if you know exactly what needs to be done. I want to tell you the best way to get a bigger penis in this video, so pay attention if you want to grow your size forever. How to get bigger. To start getting your penile length and girth bigger, you have to choose a sensible method. It can be tricky to grow your penis. As I said, the internet is full of junk that will take your money but not deliver results. The reason is because your penis doesn't respond too well to manipulation. This may sound obvious, but if it did, everyone over 20 would be 10 inches longer. We'd all use simple enlargement methods to increase our penis size. Most of the stuff out there is junk because it doesn't actually deal with how to get a bigger penis in the real world. In reality, the only way to make your penis grow is to trick it into restarting growth. What do I mean? Restarting growth to show you how to get a bigger penis. What I mean is that when you went through puberty, you had no problem at all with penis enlargement, which helped you get a larger penis. It grew, and it grew naturally. The problems began when it stopped, and you realized that you weren't happy with your size. This is the core problem for every man who wants a big penis. If the natural growth stopped too soon, you are left with a small penis and a big insecurity. How to grow bigger quickly. To get a huge penis, you just have to restart natural penile enhancement. This is done by tricking the body into thinking that puberty hasn't ended, not for your penis, at least. That leads to the reproduction of natural biochemicals in your body which help to get a bigger penis in the first place. In fact, these biochemicals caused growth. How biochemicals help to get a larger penis for you. Biochemicals were the secret, the method to naturally, without any extenders or pumps, make your penis grow from the beginning of puberty to the end. This process took place because of chain reactions which helped your penis to get bigger. They passed through the bloodstream, reaching your penis and reacting with the receptors inside it. When the biochemicals hit the receptors, that led to the promised land and helped you to get a bigger penis naturally. Biochemicals to help with getting a bigger penis, they stopped being produced when puberty ended. How? The chain reactions which took place in the body were naturally cut by the body. This is bad news unless you were blessed. The result was that your penis stopped growing and any chance to increase your penis size was lost. If you really want to get a bigger penis, then all you've got to do is restart the production of these biochemicals. When you do that, your body will naturally restart puberty-based, totally natural, penis growth. Would you like to learn how to get a bigger penis? I know that lots of guys desire to get a bigger penis, but what you have to think about before embarking on this journey is whether you actually want to be bigger. Would it make you happier? Do you feel like you need it? Would it boost your personal confidence and make you personally better in bed? If the answer to those questions is yes, then getting a bigger penis would improve your life. If the answer is no, then be happy with what you have. The best thing about natural penis enlargement done this way is that you no longer have to worry about being scammed or failing to see growth. Instead, you can be sure that you can control your path where you will grow. You can control how big you get and, to some extent, how fast you get it. If you really want to have a 9 or 10 incher, my advice is this: jump. Do it. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. How to get a huge penis. Final thoughts. If you're really sick of not getting bigger, of being the small guy who women laugh at behind your back, if you're sick of being bad in bed and knowing it, then it's time to take some responsibility and learn exactly how to get a bigger penis at home. No tricks, no gimmicks, just natural growth of 2 to 4 within 20 weeks.